Here are the different kinds of knives that you will see in your kitchen. Usually they come in a set. So what you will see would be the chef knife, this one, the yellow one. Okay, that is usually what you will see. There is a different version, which is the Santoku knife. Okay, it has air pockets here. Usually the air pockets would help you in cutting, okay, because they fall off after you cut. And then you have the fillet knife. You have two kinds here, the fillet knife. This one is a boning knife and this one is for the fish. You can use either one. The shape doesn't really matter. It just helps you cut easier. And then the one with the serrated blade is the bread knife. Okay, these two are different kinds of cleavers. Okay, when we say cleavers, we need the extra blade, okay, and the strength to break bones or to cut larger objects. And then here we have the three kinds of paring knives. Okay, you can use either of these. You might know this from steak restaurants. Okay, so the steak knife, it's a smaller version of the chef knife, but it's serrated. Okay, it has teeth. Okay, so it helps you cut pieces. This one, the blade is shaped that way so that you can easily peel fruits and vegetables. Alright, so this is your knife. This is the spine, the handle, the blade, and the bolster. Okay, so what we're doing now is the handshake hold. Pretend that you are shaking someone's hand. Put your finger over the groove. Pinch. Rock your knife back and forth. Easy, gently. Rock it back and forth. That is how you will be handling the handshake hold. Now we have the fillet knife. Okay, so the fillet hold, your finger is on top. And this is the butcher's hold, your thumb is on top. This is for breaking bones and chopping larger chunks.